The Children's Hospital in Quezon City was the site of a protest rally today. Let's find out more about this report from Haji Camino.
It was in the year 1980 when the government established that cares for children with illness as well as the disabled ones. Patients confined at the Philippine Children's Medical Center in Quezon City are those who cannot afford private hospital services. But parents and employees of PCMC became worried when the National Housing Authority gave a 30-day ultimatum that requires the government-owned hospital to pay for the lot where the hospital was built. This after NHA sold nearly half of the 3.7-hectare land to the Philippine Institute of Development Studies or PIDS.
Ang unang parsela ng lupa is 2.1 hectares. Itong itinatayuan ng main building. Ang second parcel of lot is 1.6 hectares. In that 1.6 hectares, ang 1/4 ng building namin andun nga. Yan ang ino-offer na parcel of land ng NHA to any prospectors sa aming lote.
The said land area is currently used by PCMC as their parking lot, basketball court and other building departments such as maintenance, engineering and sewerage section. In relation to this, a short protest rally was led by employees, parents and some patients from the hospital to stop the selling of the PCMC's land area. The protest calls to NHA to stop their move as they stress the hospital's huge contribution to the country, especially for taking care of children. The PCMC's management is currently looking for ways to revoke NHA's decision.
Meron na kaming communication sa Department of Budget and Management, sa Department of Health, at ngayon nakalagak na rin sa Office of the President for intervention dito sa nangyayari sa amin. At yay pinapalo up namin at baka magkaroon ng pag-uusap by next week. Maliban dyan, dahil meron ng mga usapin ng mga legal na yan, meron na rin kaming kahilingan sa OGCC, the Office of Government Corporate Council, na magkaroon din ng meeting dyan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino.